Students, today's topic is nomenclature. Nomenclature, it is necessary for the classification of the living organism or the animal. In this nomenclature, students, science, nomenclature is science. Nomenclature is science, providing proper name to organisms. Organisms have names by the local region populations. These are the naming of the local language where the species animal living organism is available. This is called vernacular name or local name. Okay, students, and this is the name is different from the one region to another region, one place to another places. Okay, and but it is the nomenclature is one of the technical name, scientific name. It is totally different from the local name. Okay, science, it is the nomenclature is a part of the science, providing proper name to organism. Okay, this process of naming of animal with specific names. Okay, students, specific name is given to that of the animal. Okay, and naming of organism done as per guidelines of International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. It is shortly also called ICZN. Okay, students, ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Okay, it is the one of the institute that gives the rules and regulations when at the time of the naming to animal. Okay, students, and for the scientific name, technical name given to the animal, some amount of the at that time some amount of the rules and regulations are follows compulsory. These are the rules and regulations are created by International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Naming of the animal is given to the organism done as per guidelines of the ICZN. Okay, next, system of nomenclature. Okay, system of the nomenclature, it is mainly binomial nomenclature. Okay, binomial nomenclature, system of nomenclature. What is the procedure involved in naming of the animal? Scientific name given to the animal as per guidelines of ICZN. In this binomial nomenclature, it is proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. Okay, next, in his book Species Plantarum in 1753. Okay, students, binomial nomenclature is proposed by Carolus Linnaeus in his book, that is Species Plantarum in the year of 1753. Okay, binomial nomenclature, it is firstly introduced by Gaspard Bahin. Okay, next, in this system, students, very important, listen carefully. In this system, name of any organism consists of two epithets, two parts. Okay, by the binomial nomenclature, binomen, that means two parts, two names. Okay, it is a name consists two parts are also called two epithets. One is generic, another one is specific. Generic first one, specific is the next one. For example, students, if you observe scientific name of the man, Homo sapiens. Homo is the first part and sapiens is the second part. Homo is the first epithet, sapiens is the second epithet. Homo, it is the first word that refers to generic epithet. Sapiens, that refers to specific epithet of scientific name of the man. In this, generic epithet begins with the capital letter. Okay students, in this is the generic epithet, and it is begins with the capital letter. H is a capital letter, always begin with the capital letter. Okay, remaining letters are not in capital letters, small letters. And the specific epithet, this is the specific epithet that starts with the small letter. Okay, these are rules and regulations. Okay, and next, name must be in Latin language. These are the names given to the animal. Names are must be in Latin language and printed in italic type. Okay, these are the words compulsory belongs from the Latin language, and these are the words are printed in italic type. Next, two words to be underlined separately. Like this. Two words underlined separately when these are written. Observe another one of the example. That one is lion. Scientific name of the lion is Felis Leo Linnaeus 1758. Okay, Felis, that indicates generic epithet, Leo, that indicates a specific epithet, and Linnaeus. What about the Linnaeus? Okay, after the specific epithet you write scientist name. Okay, it indicates that species first described by Linnaeus. Felis Leo, that is the species first described by Linnaeus, because Leo, after the Leo, it is followed with the Linnaeus scientist name. And after you write year, discovery year. Okay, after you write year of the discovery, who is the person he is discovered the type of the species. Okay, Felis Leo Linnaeus 1758. Next, trinomial nomenclature. What about trinomial nomenclature? In zoological nomenclature, trinomial refers to name of subspecies. In binomial nomenclature, there is a two words. If observe scientific name of the animal, one is the generic name, another one is the specific name. In this trinomial nomenclature, it is not a binomial, it is with the trinomial. Three words, three names, three terms, three epithets given to the scientific name of the animal. In this, first word refer to generic name, and second word that refers to specific epithet, and third one that refers to subspecies. Hence it is called trinomial. Trinomial given to the animal, that is called trinomial nomenclature. In this, trinomial refer to name of the subspecies. Student, trinomial is named with three parts: generic name, specific name, subspecific name. Third word that refers to subspecific name. Next, in this, subspecies is category below the level of the species. Okay student, it is below the level of the species. Species is the highest category than the subspecies. Okay, what is the difference between the subspecies? Subspecies show similarity in many characters, many features. Okay, in this, if you observe scientific name of the man, Homo sapiens sapiens, it is the subspecific name, it is the specific name, it is the generic name. Homo, it is the generic name. Sapiens, it is the specific name. Sapiens, another one of this sapiens, that is a subspecific name. Corvus splendens splendens. Okay, it is like to Homo sapiens sapiens. It is the Corvus splendens splendens, scientific name of the crow. Next, another one, students. Next, tautonymy. What about the tautonymy? Tautonymy, it is the practice of naming animals in which a generic name, specific name is or same, two or same. Okay, when scientific name, if you observe scientific name of the animal, in that generic name, specific name are same, that is called tautonymy. In these, students, if you observe some animals, scientific name of some animals, axis axis, axis axis, spotted deer, scientific name. Naza naza, the Indian cobra, scientific name. And ratus ratus, house rat. Okay, in these three animals, the scientific name that shows two epithets, these are similar. Axis axis, naza naza, ratus ratus. This type of the scientific name given to the animal, that is called tautonymy. Okay, students, it is about the binomial nomenclature, trinomial nomenclature, tautonymy. It is the system of the nomenclature to animals.